Hello drone service providers. Today we will see how to see the revenue details into the BhuMeet DSP web application. For this purpose, just open your browser, provide the URL app.bhumeet.in. You will get this dashboard. If you are the first time user, click on sign up link and follow the sign up process. If you are already a user of this application, just provide your login credential and login. You will get the dashboard with various details like revenue, available request, pilot details, drone details, etc. To see the revenue detail, you need to access the left side panel of this page. Just scroll down, then you will see this revenue menu. Click on this menu. You will see the page containing the information regarding the revenue of your business. You can see this revenue on daily basis, weekly basis, monthly basis and yearly basis. So here you can see the revenue, the total revenue generated by my company by providing the service onto this page. So you can see the revenue based on pilots. So if I click on Mr. Ajit Chinde, the drone pilot, he has generated around 71,000 revenue for my company. You can see the location wise revenue. If I click on any location, I will get the revenue details based on location with graphical representation. Then you can see the crop wise revenue. If I select Bajra, I can see the revenue generated by this crop or the service being provided onto this crop to the clients. Then I can see the revenue based on drones. So I have selected one model over here. Another model have generated 40,000 rupees for my business. This is how you can see the revenue details into the BhuMeet DSP web application. Thank you.